In last part, in part 3, we start this trigonometric function chapter. In that we see the definition of trigonometric equation, then solution of trigonometric equation. Then there are two types of solution, principal solution and general solution, that we discuss in last part 3. Now today we solve the problems on principal solution from exercise 3.1. Now see how the questions will be asked on this topic. Find the principal solution of the following equations. First example, cos theta equals to 1 by 2, sec theta equals to 2 by root 3, cot theta equals to root 3, cot theta equals to 0. In this problem, we have to find the principal solution. That means we have to find the value of this unknown angle theta. That value must be satisfy one condition, that is 0 less or equals to theta less or equals to 360. That we solve. Now see the first example, cos theta equals to 1 by 2. Now we have to first check from that table for which value of cos we get 1 by 2. So from table we know that cos 60 is 1 by 2. So we write here cos pi by 3 is equals to 1 by 2. That means theta is equals to pi by 2. So we get first value. Now we have to find the second value. For that you use tricks that we already discussed in part second. See, in which quadrant cos is positive? We know that in first quadrant all ratios are positive. So we get value from first quadrant, that is pi by 3. Now we have to find second value, that cos is positive in fourth quadrant, and for fourth quadrant we use 2 pi minus theta. So we have to use the second formula, cos. Now here angle is in theta form, so in place of theta we write formula in terms of x. Cos 2 pi minus x is equals to cos x. Now in place of x we have here theta, so we write here cos pi by 3, in LHS cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. That means cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Instead of cos pi by 3 we can write this cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. After solving we get cos 2 into 3 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 3. That means value of cos 5 pi by 3 and value of cos pi by 3 is same, which is equals to 1 by 2. So the principal solution is x is equals to pi by 3, x is equals to 5 pi by 3. That we have to check it whether it is greater than 360 or less than 360. Pi by 3 which is 60, which is less than 360. 5 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3 means this is 60. 5 6 the 30, after 60 we get 300. So the condition is satisfied. Therefore the principal solutions are x equals to pi by 3, x is equals to 5 pi by 3. परत एकदा रिपीट करतो आहे मी, लक्ष द्या इकडे. cos pi by 3 equals to 1 by 2. म्हणजे आपण काय केलं की cosच्या कोणत्या अँगलसाठी व्हॅल्यू 1 by 2 येते ते त्या टेबलवरून पाहिलं. आपल्याला माहिती आहे cos 60 is 1 by 2. So after comparing we get theta equals to pi by 3. That means theta equals to pi by 3 is the solution. Now we have to check in another quadrant for which angle this cos is positive. So we know that in fourth quadrant cos ratio is positive. So for fourth quadrant we have up down formula, that is 2 pi minus theta. From that formula cos 2 pi minus x equals to cos x. So after replacing this x as theta by pi by 3 we get cos 5 pi by 3 equals to cos pi by 3 equals to 1. You have to change here question in theta form, so we have to write theta equals to pi by 3 and here theta is equals to 5 pi by 3. Okay. Now see the second example. Sec theta equals to 2 by root 3. You can change sec theta into cos theta also. So we write here cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta. That means 1 upon 2 by root 3. After taking reciprocal, we get a root 3 by 2. Means finding the value of principal solution for sec theta equals to 2 by root 3 is equivalent with, is same as finding the value of cos theta equals to root 3 by 2. So it is convenient for us, instead of finding the value for sec theta, we find the value for cos theta. So we know that for which angle we get the value root 3 by 2. For cos pi by 6 we get the value root 3 by 2. So after comparing with this, we get theta is equals to pi by 6. Now we have to find the second value. We repeat the procedure as we explained in first question. Now see the cos is positive in fourth quadrant. For fourth quadrant we have to apply the formula 2 pi minus theta. So we write here cos 2 pi minus x is equals to cos x. Therefore cos of 2 pi minus, instead of x we have to use pi by 6. Cos, instead of x we use pi by 6. So after multiplying cos of 12 pi minus pi, that is 11 pi by 6 is equals to cos pi by 6, and value of cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So for 11 pi by 6 and for pi by 6 we get the value root 3 by 2. Therefore the principal solutions are theta equals to 11 pi by 6. Theta is equals to pi by 6. Now you can check the value. Pi by 6, that is 30. 11 into 30. So we get the value 330, which is less than 360. Therefore, see next example. Cot theta equals to root 3. In this example also, instead of cot ratio, we find the value for tan ratio. So we write tan theta equals to 1 upon cot theta. In our problem, cot theta equals to root 3. So replace cot theta by root 3. Therefore tan theta equals to 1 upon root 3. Now we have to find from the chart for which angle we get the value 1 by root 3. Now for the angle tan 30, we get the value 1 by root 3. So we write here, instead of 30, pi by 6. So after comparing with this, we get the value theta equals to pi by 6. So theta equals to pi by 6. Now we have to find the second value. We know that tan is positive in third quadrant. For third quadrant we write pi plus theta. So we use here tan pi plus x is equals to tan x. After replacing the value of x as pi by 6, we get tan pi plus pi by 6, which is 7 pi by 6. Here also we replace x by pi by 6. That means value of tan pi by 6 and value of 7 pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. Therefore the principal solutions are theta equals to pi by 6, theta equals to 7 pi by 6. You can check this value. Pi by 6 means 30. 37 are 210, which is less than 360. That means these are the principal solutions. Now see next example. We have to find principal solution of cot theta equals to 0. Again this cot theta we convert into tan theta. So we write tan theta equals to 1 upon cot theta. Cot theta is 0. So 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0, that is not defined. So we write here tan pi by 2 is equals to infinity. Because tan theta equals to infinity, we know that for angle 90 we get infinity. So theta is equals to pi by 2. This is first value. Now we have to find the second value. Tan pi plus x equals to tan x. So replace the value of x by pi by 2. 2 pi plus pi, that is 3 pi by 2 is equals to 10 pi by 2, and this is not defined. So for angle pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, this function is not defined. Therefore theta equals to pi by 2, theta equals to 3 pi by 2 are the principal solutions. You can check this value. 9 3s are 270. So in this way we find the principal solutions for trigonometric ratio whose value is positive. In second question we see trigonometric ratio whose value is negative. Now see the next question. Find the principal solutions of the following equations. First is sin theta equals to minus 1 by 2, tan theta equals to minus 1, or root 3 cosec theta plus 2 equals to 0. In this sin theta equals to minus 1 by 2. So we see first example from question second. Sin theta equals to minus 1 by 2. Now we first check for which angle sin value is 1 by 2. So from table we know that sin 30 is 1 by 2. So we write a sin pi by 6 is equals to 1 by 2 first. First we have to neglect this sign. We have to calculate for which angle we get the value of 1 by 2 for sine ratio. So we first from table find sin pi by 6 equals to 1 by 2. Now we have to find value for sin theta equals to minus 1 by 2. Now if here is minus sign, then we have to apply two up down formulas. That is, see which formulas we have to apply. In previous example, if ratios are positive, then we see in which quadrant that ratios are positive. Now in this example we see in which quadrant that ratio is negative, because we have to calculate sin theta equals to minus 1 by 2. So we first find out that quadrant in which that ratios are negative. Now in first quadrant all ratios are positive, that means we do not get angle from first quadrant. So we come to the second quadrant. In second quadrant sin and cosec is positive. We are calculating the value for sin theta equals to minus. So second quadrant is not. So we have to check next quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant in which sin ratio is absent. That means in third and fourth quadrant we get the principal solutions, because here sin is negative. In this quadrant also sin is negative. In first quadrant, second quadrant sin is positive. So we have to apply formulas from third and fourth quadrant. That is, see, sin pi plus theta is equals to minus sin theta, and second formula sin 2 pi minus theta is equals to minus sin theta. So we have to use these two formulas for calculating the principal solution. Which value we have to take here as a theta? This value pi by 6 we have to take as a theta. So therefore sin, we can write here, we know that sin pi plus theta equals to minus sin theta. Therefore sin pi plus, in place of theta we replace pi by 6, is equals to minus sin pi by 6. We note this as equation number 1. Or after calculating you can write sin 6 pi plus pi, that is 7 pi by 6, is equals to minus sin pi by 6 is equals to, that is 1 by 2. Instead of denoting this as equation number, we note this as equation number 1. Now we have to substitute the value in second formula also. Second formula is sin 2 pi minus theta. Instead of theta we have to replace pi by 6, is equals to minus sin pi by 6. So after calculating we get sin 6 pi into pi, that is 12 pi. 12 pi minus pi, that is 11 pi by 6, is equals to minus sin pi by 6, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. So This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, we can say that for the angle 7 pi by 6 and for the angle 11 pi by 6, we get the value minus 1 by 2. Therefore, here theta is given. Therefore, theta is equals to 7 pi by 6. Theta is equals to 11 pi by 6 is the principal solution. काय केलं लक्षात आलं? परत एकदा मी रिपीट करतो या ठिकाणी. जर तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी मायनस साइन दिलं असेल तर फर्स्ट व्हॅल्यू जी आपण आधीच्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये फाइंड केली होती तशीच फाइंड करावं लागेल, पण ती आपण ॲज अ प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन म्हणून कन्सिडर करणार नाही. ती फक्त आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायसाठी यूज करायची आहे. हियर इज साइन रेशो, सो वी चेक फॉर विच angles value we get 1 by 2. So for sin pi by 6 we get 1 by 2. So we write two formulas and that formula we select in which quadrant we get the sign ratio negative. In third and fourth quadrant we get the ratio negative. So we write the formula from third and fourth quadrant. That is, from third we write sin pi plus theta equals to minus sin theta. For fourth quadrant we write sin 2 pi minus theta equals to minus sin theta. Now in these two formulas we have to replace the value of theta by pi by 6. After replacing in first formula pi, instead of theta we replace pi by 6. After cross multiplying 6 pi plus pi, that is 7 pi by 6, which is minus 1 by 2. Denote that equation 1. Now we have to substitute same value in equation number 2. Theta by pi by 6, so we get, after substituting the theta by pi by 6, 2 pi minus pi by 6 is equals to minus pi by 6. 11 pi by 6 is equals to minus sin pi by 6, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. So we get the principal solutions: 7 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6. Now see next example. Tan theta equals to minus 1. Now we have to check for which angle we get the value 1. So we know that tan pi by 4, that is tan 45 is 1. So we write here tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. Now we have to check in which quadrant tan ratio is negative. So we see first quadrant. In first quadrant all ratios are positive. In third quadrant tan and cot is positive. So we have to skip these two quadrants. So we have to apply formula for second quadrant and for fourth quadrant. So for that pi minus theta and 2 pi minus theta formula is used. So we write tan pi minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. Therefore tan pi minus theta, instead of theta we have to use value pi by 4. Tan pi minus pi by 4 equals to minus tan pi by 4. Therefore, after cross multiplying 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi by 4 is equals to minus tan pi by 4, which is equals to minus 1. So denote this as equation number 1. Now we have to find second value. For that we have to apply formula for fourth quadrant. So formula for fourth quadrant is 2 pi minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. So replace the value of theta, that is by pi by 4 is equals to minus tan pi by 4. Now after cross multiplying we get 8 pi minus pi, that is 7 pi by 4 is equals to minus tan pi by 4 is equals to minus 1. Denote this as equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we get the values theta equals to 3 pi by 4, theta equals to 7 pi by 4. Therefore theta is equals to 3 pi by 4, theta is equals to 7 pi by 4. These are the principal solutions. Now see the next example. Root 3 cosec theta plus 2 equals to 0. Now we write this as root 3 cosec theta is equals to minus 2. Therefore cosec theta is equals to minus 2 upon root 3, which is equivalent with, we can convert cosec theta into sin theta. So taking it reciprocal, which is equivalent to it, sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2, if minus sign as it is. Now finding the principal solution for cosec theta equals to minus 2 by 3, which is same as finding the principal solution for sin theta equals to minus root 3 by 2. So we find principal solution for this. So we have to write for which angle we get the value root 3 by 2. So from the table you can check, we get the value sin pi by 3. So we write here sin pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. That means for the angle 60 we get the value root 3 by 2. So we have to check in which quadrant sin is negative. So again we have to check from this chart. First quadrant all ratio positive, second quadrant sin cosec positive. So we have to take ratios from third and fourth, that is formula from 3 and 4. So for third quadrant formula is sin pi plus theta equals to minus sin theta, and for fourth quadrant formula is sin 2 pi minus theta equals to minus sin theta. Now we have to replace the value of theta by root 3 by 2. Therefore sin pi plus theta we have to replace by pi by 3. So we replace theta by pi by 3 is equals to minus sin pi by 3. Therefore after cross multiplying we get sin 3 pi plus pi, that is 4 pi by 3 is equals to minus sin pi by 3, which is equals to root 3 by 2. So we write here minus root 3 by 2. Denote this as equation number 1. Now come to this formula. Therefore sin of 2 pi minus theta is again pi by 3 is equal to minus sin pi by 3. Therefore sin 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 3 is equal to minus sin pi by 3 is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Denote this as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 for the angle sin 4 pi by 3 and for sin 5 pi by 3 we get the value minus root 3 by 2. Therefore theta is equals to 4 pi by 3, theta is equals to 5 pi by 3 is the principal solution. If you had not seen the part first, second for this chapter, you first see that parts, then you understand this part easily. Now in this way we complete two questions from this exercise 3.1, question 1 and question 2.